My name is Christopher Oluwakumi Akindele, a Nigerian of Yoruba origin in the southwestern part of the country. I'm 39 years of age and hold a doctoral degree from the prestigious Premier University in Nigeria, that's the University of Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria. I am an associate professor in the Department of Agricultural and Environmental Engineering, Federal University of Technology, Akure, Ondo State, Nigeria. I belong to a number of professional organizations such as the American Society of Agricultural and Pedagogical Engineers, the Nigerian Society of Engineers, the Council for the Regulation of Engineering Practice in Nigeria, the Nigerian Institution of Agricultural Engineers, and I have published over 40 publications in local and internationally peer-reviewed journals, and I've been to over 40 cities in both within and outside the states, attending conferences, symposia, seminars, forums, and all that. I'm married and I have 3 kids. My research centered on water for life, irrigation for food crops, especially rice for increasing food production and self-sufficiency, management of wastewater for recycling and reuse, as well as the use of plants for remediating wastewater, that is phytoremediation. And my publications are majorly in these areas mentioned above, as you have seen, can see from my CV. And the whole essence of my research is to ensure the continual increase in food production on a sustainable basis and to make environment safe by using locally available materials to treat wastewater before discharging into the environment or discharging the atmosphere, as it were. We made efforts to ensure wastewater recycling by using it for domestic activities and also for irrigation, as is being practiced in Israel, and to ensure increased food production. So the impact is enormous with the fabrication of a low-cost water treatment plant that is cheap, is affordable and efficient in purifying wastewater for reuse. Why do I want to be a NEF fellow? Now, I want to be a NEF fellow because I want to use the opportunity of the membership of this forum to be able to interact with contemporaries from outside the Africa and from the world at large in order to brainstorm, cross-fertilize ideas on innovative ways of solving myriads of problems confronting the African continent. And also, I also want to join in order to foster strong academic, scientific community to ensure sustainable development in Africa and other parts of the world. And 3, to have a unified African identity integrated into the global scientific community. Finally, I want to join the way to transform the ideas into action and bridge the gap between science in Africa and the world. These are the reasons that I wish to become NEF.